An AI agent kept trying to install a software package. The package didn't exist. Nobody had written it. Nobody had published it. It had spread into 237 different code repositories. Automatically, through AI-generated files, copied and forked without anyone checking. And here's the part that makes this worse than a normal hack. Nobody planted it. No attacker, no campaign. The AI just invented a name that sounded real, and its own kind kept trying to install it. A security researcher found it in January 2026. Before any attacker could register that name and turn it into a weapon, he registered it himself. That one accident exposed a vulnerability nobody had a name for yet. Researchers kept digging. They found that AI models don't just invent fake package names. They invent fake web addresses for real companies, confidently, convincingly. One large-scale study tested this across hundreds of global brands and found roughly 250,000 invented domains that nobody had claimed yet. Free. Waiting for whoever registered them first, and that's where this stops being an AI curiosity, because later research proves something worse. These hallucinations aren't random. The same models invent the same fake names, over and over, consistently enough that in some tests it happened nearly every single time. They gave the pattern a name, HalluSquatting. An attacker doesn't need to guess anymore. They don't need a typo. They don't need luck. They just need to ask the same AI tool you use, what would you invent here? And register it before you ever type a single prompt. Your coding agent isn't being tricked by a clever hacker. It's walking straight into a trap built using its own predictable mind. This isn't a bug that gets patched in the next model update. It's structural. The model doesn't know the difference between a package that exists and one that merely sounds like it should. It's not lying to you, it's just confident about something that was never true. And the danger was never obvious. Nobody had to fall for something that looked suspicious. The dangerous dependency isn't the one that looks malicious, it's the one that looks legitimate. So here's what actually protects you. Pin your lock files. Review every new dependency before it ships. Don't let a name sound real enough that nobody checks it. Simple. Unglamorous, and exactly the kind of judgment no model can apply to itself. We keep coming back to the same idea on this channel. AI can generate the code. It can't even generate the dependency. What it can't do is know the difference between this looks real and this is real. That's still your job. If you want to be the engineer who checks anyway, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.